Hi kids, welcome back. So in today's session, we will do some basic numbers on Abacus, okay? Let's see. Remember, we will use thumb and big finger, okay? Now, if I have to do 1 plus 2 on Abacus, how am I going to do that? Okay, see. This is my 1 beat I told in the previous class. Now 2. 1 and 2. Answer is 1, 2 and 3. Okay? Now let's do it fast. 1 plus 2. Answer is 1, 2 and 3. Next, 2 plus 2. Answer 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting it? Next, 3 plus 1. Answer 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I am only using my thumb. You also have to do like that, okay? Next, 2 plus 5. 5, 6, and 7. 5 plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Got it? 2 plus 6 plus 6. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 plus 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1 plus 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? These are the some basic questions that we can do on Abacus. Okay? I'll see you in the next video now with some new things and new formulas. Okay? Yes. So I'll see you in the next class. Stay connected. Next class is going to be very important, so you must attend it.